Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I know you are fine. So today I'm going to explain about Pixel's toy. But where is my Pixel's toy? Oh, my Pixel's toy came. It's so looking beautiful now. Let's unbox it. Oh, wow. It smells very much nice. Wow, it's so bad. You can see the instructions are written here. Okay. Oh wow, what wonderful colors. These are having total 12 colors. Design. Let me open and show you all how much. Let's see. Oh wow, very much beautiful design. See? And this jellyfish. And second one. Wow, it's very harmful. Tortoise and dolphin. You can make any design from this. I like this one. And this one fish and this. I don't know what's this. Wow, these all are so much beautiful. Now see what is more. Oh wow. Let's open it and see what is this. Oh wow, it's for pick up the things. To the right we have taken any color from this by opening it and see, take a color, then put in up on this paper. So we will not put with our fingers, it can be harmful. We have to put with this pen. And this is also too much harmful because it is having too much notes. Okay, now see what are that. What's use of magnets? Oh wow, these all are the magnets. Why about these? Let's check an instructions book. Oh, there is written, if you want to make a drawing and paste on a fridge, then you can put magnets on that drawing and put on the fridge. It can be pasted. That drawing can be pasted on the fridge. You can see like this. Magnets used like this. It can join by their own. We can see the magnets are joined on their own. Wait. Okay, the use of magnets is done. Because too much paint, it is harmful. Be careful in this game. Okay. This have all 12 colors and in all one color there is 2000 pieces in all. And these are the papers. When you will iron it, so put these papers on the drawing. And this is the space if your brother or your sister is broken these all the wrapper, then you can put the beads inside of this box. It's okay. So I will show you one time more that this paper, colors and instruction paper, beads paper and designs. These are so cute designs. And last one is the pins and magazines. Then I tell you one more thing, it is very important that only after 5-year-old child can play this game, not smaller than 5. You can see there is written And in the back also you can see very much drawings are there, and there is also written use